AI is reshaping the world, and adult education is no exception. From personalized learning to smart content creation, artificial intelligence is transforming how we teach, learn, and grow. But what does this really mean for educators and adult learners? First, AI enables personalization at scale. It can adapt content, pacing, and support to match each learner's needs, skills, and goals. No more one-size-fits-all. With AI, learning becomes a tailored experience. Imagine an AI tutor that offers instant feedback, recommends resources, and adjusts difficulty in real time. That's not the future. It's happening now. Second, AI saves time. Educators can automate routine tasks like grading, scheduling, and admin work. This frees up time to focus on what matters most: engaging, mentoring, and designing great experiences. Third, AI enhances accessibility. Tools like speech-to-text, translation, and adaptive tech open learning to more people across languages, abilities, and devices. AI can also power data-driven insights. It helps educators see where learners struggle, predict dropout risks, and personalize interventions. It turns data into action. But it's not just about technology. It's about how we use it. We need to apply AI ethically, transparently, and in ways that empower, not replace human connection. The best education will always blend smart tools with human touch. So how can educators prepare for this AI-powered future? Start exploring AI tools, text generators, quiz builders, speech engines, and analytics platforms. Test them. Learn what works. Reflect on what adds value. Focus on skills that AI can't replicate: empathy, creativity, critical thinking, storytelling, coaching. These are the uniquely human superpowers that educators bring. Also, help learners build AI literacy. Teach them how to work with AI, how to question it, guide it, and use it wisely. Because in the future of work, AI collaboration will be essential. Finally, stay curious. This field is evolving fast. New tools, ideas, and questions emerge every day. Being future-ready isn't about having all the answers. It's about being ready to learn. AI isn't replacing educators. It's amplifying them. And for adult education, that means more personalized, accessible, and responsive learning, delivered at the speed of change. The future is here. Let's teach like it.